Green lacewings are common flying insects found throughout the United States. These insects are actually beneficial for homes and gardens, as they are important predators of aphids, whiteflies, thrips, and other insect pests. Large populations of green lacewings may indicate an infestation of these other insects. In this video, we'll go over how to identify green lacewings, how to control an outbreak, and how to prevent further infestations in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Green lacewings are small insects with soft, slender bodies. They grow up to 3/4 of an inch in length from head to tail tip. Green lacewings are commonly green in color, but there are some species that may be tan or brown. These flying insects have 2 pairs of veiny, translucent wings. When green lacewings are threatened or disturbed, they may emit a foul odor. The larvae have elongated, segmented bodies. They grow up to 1/2 inch in length, and their body colors include spots of gray, tan, and brown. Lacewing larvae possess long, distinct mandibles. Some species may even stick debris on their backs to use as camouflage. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Most green lacewings are found near the plants that their prey feeds on. Search near shrubs, gardens, flower beds, and in other spots with vegetation. Look for the lacewings themselves and their larvae. Their presence on your property will indicate more pressing insect infestations like aphids or mealybugs. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To control green lacewings on your property, you'll need to target their food sources. Once pest insects have been eliminated, lacewings will hunt for food elsewhere. First, apply a repelling insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based, liquid suspended concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. In a handheld sprayer, mix 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Broadcast your solution evenly over your lawn with a fan or cone spray pattern. Spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Pests that make contact with the solution or treated areas will have their nervous systems impacted and die after several hours. Next, to target pests like aphids and mealybugs, use an insecticide like Dominion 2L. Dominion 2L is a systemic insecticide, meaning it will get absorbed into treated plants and will kill pests that feed from those plants. This product may be applied either as a foliar treatment or as a soil drench treatment. If you're going to apply Dominion 2L as a foliar treatment, output the labeled rate of 1.5 fluid ounces of product per 100 gallons of water. As a soil drench for shrubs, you'll apply 0.1 to 0.2 fluid ounces of product per foot of the shrub's height. Over flowers, ground cover, and turf, apply 0.46 to 0.6 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. After this application, water the product in. Once the product has been applied, it will absorb into the plants through the leaves or roots. Labeled pests that attempt to feed off the plants will be poisoned and will die after approximately 24 hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. The best way to prevent insects like lacewings from breaking out is to prevent their food sources from establishing on your property. Be diligent in monitoring your plants and checking for activity. Note the health of your plants, and when something doesn't seem right, address the problem as soon as possible. You can also boost your plant's health with fertilizer or proper watering. Healthier plants are more capable of resisting and recovering from pest damage. If an infestation breaks out, prune away afflicted plant parts to prevent the pests from spreading. Finally, be sure to make regular reapplications of Supreme IT and Dominion 2L. Both products protect treated areas for up to 90 days, so reapply these products every 3 months to maintain protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop green lacewings from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.